Hey, Matthew, leave the property. Leave the property, Matthew. He is leaving. Leave the property.
He's not leaving. He's walking towards the
Let's go, Matthew.
sir.
Leave the property. You're going to be arrested. Leave the property.
Yo,
Ma'am, back up. Back up.
don't you touch my son! No, I'm going off the property.
You got your handcuffs?
No, you're hurting me.
Matt, hey, you might grab your handcuffs and then
Adams, I'm going off the property.
On the night of March 15th, 2024, at a Circle K store in Mount, Florida, the night shift employees were preparing to close the store when a customer became uncooperative, leading to a tense situation that forced the employees to call the police to prevent the situation from getting out of hand. Within minutes, the police arrived in the parking lot and tried to determine what was going on.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Officer Lou with the City of Mount Police Department.
Yep.
We got a call over here at Circle K, and they're advising that they need to close and you're refusing to leave. I think it's probably because you're out of gas, right?
Right.
Okay, let me see if you're allowed to maybe leave the vehicle here right now.
I have the gas can.
Okay, do you have gas in there?
I'm waiting for my mom to come.
Okay.
Hello.
Listen, I don't know what you're trying to do, but...
I am sitting at Circle K with no gas.
Well, it's not my fault.
No one said it is. It's not my fault about anything in your life and how you need mental help. Okay?
Oh, really?
Yeah, I'm going to send the mental health coordinator over.
I wish you would, Jim.
Okay, ma'am, I'm not here to argue. I just want to...
Make sure they're here so they can evaluate you also.
Okay, listen, I need gas. You're going to help me or you're not? You told my friends figure it out.
She says she's not going to help you, okay?
You got Nancy.
Okay.
Worry about me. You got
And how
Nancy.
much about me did you talk to my friend?
I'll be right back. I'm going to ask them if they want this vehicle towed from their lot, because it doesn't look like you got any
no, I
gas.
have AAA.
Okay,
So,
well, let me go ask, okay?
Mom, you don't have a daughter.
You want to grab the tag? We just was out with them not too long ago. They're closed. Yeah, they're closed. I don't know where they at, though. Hello, ma'am. Officer Lou with the Mount Police Department. I think you were here the other day when I was here. Okay, so they're out of gas. Apparently, I don't think she's going to get any gas.
No, my systems. I'm in a store upgrade right now.
Yeah.
All my
So-
systems are down.
Okay, so are they allowed to wait for gas, or?
No, I need them trespass because they've been caught stealing.
Okay.
This is the second night she's came up here yelling at me, honking her horn.
Okay, so what about this? Their vehicle is stuck here.
Yeah.
Do you want to call a tow truck? I can't call one for you. It's on your property.
Yeah.
But do you want to call a tow truck to have their vehicle towed somewhere?
Okay. Yeah. I'll call my boss.
Because I can't. Their vehicle's stuck, but you know what I mean?
Yeah, I know.
All right.
It was a hard, I wasn't going to call, but
Yeah.
then she kept, still trying to yell at me and honk at me. I'm like, this shit is just...
I'm aware. We've dealt with her numerous times. That was the first time I dealt with her, but the other officers dealt with her multiple times.
It's been, ongoing.
So do you want her just trespass or the son as well?
My boss said both.
Both of them? Okay, well, we'll go ahead and trespass them. If they refuse to leave, would you like them arrested?
After police questioned the store employee, she said that the two assaulted her. The mother yelled at her and didn't give her a chance to call. And worse, the employee wanted the police to arrest both mother and daughter.
Hello, ma'am. So I understand that you don't have any gas, okay? She's calling a tow truck, but for right now, she wants y'all to trespass from this property, okay?
She's not trespassing. Listen, I already spoke to the manager. Him and I are like this.
I understand that, but she wants you trespassed, okay?
I don't care if she's nobody. Why don't you have her call the manager of the store?
Is this vehicle registered to you?
No, it's my mom and to me.
Oh, okay.
But why don't you have her call?
Ma'am, just... I don't have to do what you're
Hello?
talking about. I can see
I'm not
your
telling
idea,
you.
okay?
Hello?
She's really nasty.
Yeah, so the gas can is here. I just need to get some gas. Now they're trying to tow my car.
The store manager's on the phone.
And I'm the assistant, and we are both saying that you have to leave.
Okay.
Did you hear that, ma'am?
All right, fine. Yes.
Okay, she's saying if you don't leave the property, we're going to arrest you. You understand that?
Oh, I didn't do anything for you to arrest me. Can I speak to, the
No,
owner?
she doesn't want to speak, okay? So I'm going to ask you now. She is the man. She's an authorized person, okay? So I'm going to ask you to leave the property.
Even though the police tried to persuade the two to leave the place, she didn't even pay attention to what the police said. She didn't even think about the immediate consequences.
I understand this is your vehicle.
Well, it's not your car. It's your mom's car, right?
No, it's in both
No,
names.
you said it's not under
I
your
said
name.
it's in both names.
No, you said it's your mom's.
You know what? You need to start recording stuff.
I'm recording.
Okay.
Ma'am,
I said it's in both names.
ma'am, we're not going to argue with you, okay? So
There's
now,
no arguing.
sir, that's you as well, okay? So you got to leave the property.
He didn't do anything.
Okay. Ma'am, I understand your vehicle, okay? We're gonna tow the vehicle, but you cannot be on the property. I tried to explain
touch
it.
my car.
Ma'am, I'm gonna ask you to leave again. If you don't leave, we're gonna have you arrested for trespassing and resisting.
You cannot tow my car.
You as well, Matthew.
Don't call me my name. I don't know you. You don't know me.
Very well, Robert. I need another unit, please.
And we're not in each other's life.
Okay, Matthew.
You don't have to be a I'm telling you. Yeah.
He's 97. You have to something. Yeah, please.
Roll the window up.
Where's my car keys? No, you're gonna break my door. Time to her.
Step out. Hey, Matthew, leave the property. Leave the property, Matthew.
He is leaving.
Leave the property.
He's not leaving. He's walking towards
Let's
us.
go, Matthew.
Sir.
Leave the property. You're going to be arrested. Leave the property.
Yo.
Oh,
Ma'am,
Don't you touch my son!
back up.
Don't you touch my son!
hands on your back. You just threw that shit in my face. It hurt my goddamn eyes.
You are going to jail.
Okay.
The black people who beat up white people. You motherfucker. You motherfucker. If you slam my son's head, you're dead.
Mom, get my phone.
Matthew, why would you do that?
You're dead.
Hey, man. Hey.
I'm not leaving.
Go,
I'm getting off the property.
All right,
I'm
go.
going off the property.
No, you're not. You're going to jail, too.
No,
You just-
I'm going off the property.
You got your handcuffs?
No, you're hurting me.
Matt, hey, you might got me some handcuffs and then
Adams, I'm going off the property. I didn't
You
do
go.
anything.
Yes, you did. Drop your phone.
I didn't do anything.
You better stop
You're
resisting.
gonna break my
Well,
arm.
you better stop resisting. I'm not trying to. I'm trying to detain
Mom,
you.
I hate you. You f***ing cunt.
That's not very nice.
I don't give a shit. Are you going? You're dead, Mom. And that's it.
Yeah, just ask prayer for her.
You're dead, Mom. I am just
Stop
fucking-
moving.
I can't.
Stop moving. Stop. I need you to stop resisting, okay? You need to stop resisting.
I'm gonna have a heart attack.
Well, you better stop resisting, ma'am. I'm not trying to have you have a heart attack.
Nancy, help me. Matthew.
Okay.
Same tooth from that 33
Yeah.
or 38.
Same.
Black people are going to jail because you guys kill black people everywhere. Car's on fire, you stupid. I'm pressing charges. Car is hot.
In the chaos, the woman still did not give up. She threw insults at the black police officers, as if discriminating against skin color.
Also back here?
You're making trouble from fucking this. I swear to God you are. You're going to jail. Think I'm going to jail? You break my arm?
Man, just lean on the car. That's
Let
it.
go
Right?
of
That's all
me.
you gotta do.
Let
We're
go of
not
me.
letting go of you, okay?
Let me go.
It's not gonna happen.
Yes, it is. I can't breathe. Let me stand up.
You're standing.
Let me stand up. I cannot breathe. Your head get hit?
No, I want my phone and
Have a
wallet.
seat, Matthew. I'll grab your stuff.
Oh, don't sit in that car.
Have a seat, Matthew.
No,
Oh,
don't
he is
sit.
gonna sit.
Did you have that ID with you, ma'am? Do you mind if I get it? Did you observe him throw that phone at me and hit me in the head?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just talking about I'm dead. That's a whole lot of pressure.
Do you want to be? Do you want her arrested for?
Oh, absolutely.
Okay.
Hell yeah.
I'll be right back with you. Yeah, she hit me in the head. No, he hit me in the head. Recall, we got fire rescue on the way.
My son didn't touch it.
They also see him. He threw a phone at me and it hit me right here.
That's your fault.
Okay. All right.
your
So we
fault.
have fire rescue come and check you out. Is that because you have heart issues?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. All right.
And my son's disabled, so if you touch him, you go to jail automatically.
Okay.
Black, yellow, white, it don't matter.
Okay.
And you broke my fucking arm. This
Okay.
motherfucker, okay? I can't.
You don't
hardly
have ID
breathe.
with you, right?
I just want to stand up.
Do you have ID with
No,
you?
he's putting pressure on my back.
Well, we don't want you to lean up. That's the thing.
I can't breathe. I have heart issues, you dumbass.
Okay. Well, what do you want me to do? We
I
have fire
want
rescue-
you to
Well,
let
you're
me
gonna stop
stand up.
moving. You're standing up, but you're gonna have
No,
to
you're
stop
hurting
moving.
me.
We're
and
not trying
I
to.
didn't get a chance to call. You're pulling up my dress. You're looking at my ass.
You are throwing a lot of things at us right now.
I
We're
didn't
not
do
trying
shit.
to do that.
I didn't do shit. My son dropped his phone because of you.
He
and
threw
now
his
you
phone.
you can buy him a new phone.
Okay.
The woman
Yeah.
repeatedly
What's your first
blamed the
name?
police with insults and tried to break free from their control. She also accused them of treating her son roughly, but in fact, before her son was restrained, he threw a phone and other objects at the police's face. In addition, she refused to reveal her identity, When questioned by the police,
Fucking boogeyman.
Are you refusing to identify yourself? To
Johnny, just leave me alone, man. It is going to change because I didn't do anything wrong, and neither did my son. And he's on SSI. He's disabled. And you guys are going to be arrested for touching him. He is. He's black man. Huh?
Factually incorrect.
I know that it's correct. And this guy looked at my ass. This guy looked at my ass.
Okay, but remember when
I know I got a nice ass, but...
Factually incorrect.
And then you yelled at her, right?
You ain't towing my car.
I'm towing it.
It's illegal.
Okay.
It's not your car.
It is my car. It's in my name and my mother's name. Okay? I paid for it. I'm just gonna pass out. How about that? Pass out right on the ground.
We're good. Then lean up against the car. So that way, if you do, then you are leaning up against the car.
You're hurting my fucking stomach. Will you please help me? These motherfuckers are hurting me. They're pushing me up against the car. And this guy's a black asshole.
Okay, so we got a call here because she said she's having heart problems. I think y'all were out with her before. Y'all just want to...
I won't do it here. You have to take me to the hospital.
So she's
No
refusing.
vitals on scene.
She's refusing.
She's refusing?
Well, she said she doesn't want to do it here, so
Okay,
that's refusing.
We'll take you to the hospital.
No, I want to go with them.
No, you're not going with that.
That's
Huh?
We're not going to see the fire truck.
So get an ambulance if you can
Nope.
pass me.
No, unfortunately, I'm going to call a sergeant, make sure it's okay, and then I'm going to take you ourselves, okay? We're not going to tie up our
still going to
services.
They're already tying up their shirts.
Let me call my lieutenant just to make sure, okay?
Alright, so let's go get her in the back of my car.
Stop treating me like I'm a fucking criminal. It's not okay.
It's not that serious, okay?
It's very serious.
Yes, sir.
I just want to fall to the floor.
Okay.
Okay. Can you put these in the front, please?
No,
like
we
normal
can't do
eggs?
that, unfortunately. You're going to have a seat in that vehicle, or I'm going to charge you with another car.
God, I can't even get in the car, man.
Have a seat.
Where is my son going?
Same place where you're going, the hospital.
Yeah, we need like CAT scans to our head and shit. Since that black motherfucker put his hands on us. This would be great for cops. I haven't seen that show in a while.
her blindness did not end when she was handcuffed. She continued to make racist remarks towards the black police officer. Although Janet was arrested for trespassing and resisting the police, after being interrogated, the resisting charge was dropped. She did not appeal the trespassing charge, was convicted and sentenced to 20 days in jail, a very light sentence for someone who resisted the police.